Welcome to Research Hub. In this video, we will learn how to create links for the in-text citation with the references, also known as the hyperlinks. Okay, let's start. Let's follow these steps. So, this is my first in-text citation, and you can see, this is the reference for this in-text citation. Now, how to create the hyperlink. So first of all, select this relevant reference and then go to the Insert tab and then click on the Bookmark tab and give it a name. Simply click on the Add tab. Okay, now, select that in-text citation for which you want to create the hyperlink, go to the Insert tab, then click on the hyperlink, okay now on the left side. Select the second option that is placed in this document and choose Relevant Reference, now click OK. Alright, you can see that its color has been changed to the blue. Now hold Ctrl key and click on this link. You can see that is automatically will connect it to the reference, so you can create the hyperlinks for all the in-text citation in this way. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.